Hey, Eric Sider here, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing the Tushy toilet seat bidet. It's basically an attachment that goes under the toilet seat, more or less universal application, and gives you the functionality of a standalone bidet for significantly less money. A friend of mine has it, said he really liked it, so I thought I'd pull the trigger on it, something I've been thinking about for a while now, and in the pandemonium of hoarding toilet paper, it seemed like an apt time, and hopefully any guys out there thinking the same might get something out of this video. Let's unbox it, let's install it, let's see how we go. Alright, so, as is typical with any of these products, there's a lot of tongue-in-cheek advertising going on. Stop wiping your butt, start washing with Tushy. Bum wash, aka booty cleaner, aka avant-garde post-poo routine, aka your new butt buddy. Alright, so here we go. So this goes under the toilet seat. You got your pressure control. And that's the adjustment for the nozzle. Okay, this retails for about 70 bucks. This is pretty much the basic one. There's some fancier ones with, I think they got like bamboo dials and whatnot. I mean, it's plastic, as you'd expect. Considering it's not going to really be under much stress, you know, this is probably the most potential fail point. So if it works well enough, lasts long enough, I think we got a good product here. Now, how it attaches to your toilet. Comes with this little T-fitting. So the water coming from the wall goes in there. This goes into the toilet tank, and then this attaches to here and to here, and you're off and running. So I think it's all pretty self-explanatory. Oh, they even got your steps. Of course, here we go. Step 1, drop your duty. Step 2, spray your bum with Tushy. Go easy on the knobs the first time. Alright, and step 3, pat, dry, and ta-da. Alright, let's do it. Alright, first things first, you want to turn off the water and flush to empty the tank. Alright, and then we're gonna undo this. And there's a little bit of drip, not a big deal. Alrighty, so that's on there. And really, if you can get away with just hand tightening, that's the best, so you don't stress plastic joints. Right. Okay, now we gotta remove the toilet seat. Now everyone's toilet seat's gonna be a little bit different, but more or less should be plastic screws holding it to the bowl. This is, I'm gonna try and that even. Let's turn the water back on and see what happens. Alright. No leaks. That's good. So that's to wash off the nozzle. Oh. So that's going right into the that's full blast. I can clean the shower and wash your butt. You can see. All right. Woo. All right, I got some business to do. Let's see how it goes. Soaking wet shirt. Let's do it. Woo, that's refreshing. And definitely full blast is a lot to handle, so be careful with that nozzle. All right, well, it definitely gets the job done. In fact, the highest setting is probably too high for most sensitive tushes out there. So easy on the volume, adds a bit more surfaces to clean and things to get underneath. So probably periodically you're gonna have to take the seat off and get a good cleaning all around it. But if it does the job, and like I said, if it lasts long enough, I think it's definitely a great way to introduce a much better cleaning method. There's, other ones out there, more expensive. If you want the luxury edition, they have one that adds hot water into it. Really up to you. But like I said, you're looking to break away from the unsavory toilet paper method or wasteful wipes, then Tushy definitely is a way to go. All right. If you're enjoying that, hit the like button. If you're getting something out of these videos, consider subscribing. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.